Is community service the same as volunteer experience on a resume? Have you ever wondered if community service and volunteer experience are the same when it comes to your resume? Let's break it down so you can make the best choice for your job search. While many people use these terms interchangeably, there are some differences worth noting. Community service usually refers to activities that might be required by schools or courts. These can sometimes feel less voluntary. On the other hand, volunteer experience is typically about activities you choose to participate in because you care about a cause. Both community service and volunteer experience can be great additions to your resume, especially if you have limited professional experience. They show potential employers that you have skills like teamwork, leadership, and communication. These qualities are attractive to employers and can help you stand out from other candidates. When adding these experiences to your resume, there are some practical tips to keep in mind. First, format your volunteer experiences like your professional work experiences. Include the name of the organization, your role, the duration of your involvement, and any specific achievements or responsibilities. This makes it easy for employers to see what you have done. Next, think about relevance. Tailor your volunteer experiences to match the skills or qualifications needed for the job you are applying for. If you develop skills like project management or public speaking, make sure to highlight those. Another useful tip is to quantify your impact. If you organized a charity event, mention how much money you raised or how many people you helped. For example, saying you organized an event that raised $10,000 for local youth programs can really grab attention. If you have multiple volunteer experiences, consider creating a separate section on your resume just for this. A dedicated volunteer experience section keeps your resume organized and makes it easier for employers to see your community involvement at a glance. Incorporating community service or volunteer experiences into your resume can be especially effective if you are early in your career or transitioning into a new field. It highlights your commitment to social causes and shows your ability to work in different environments while developing transferable skills. So, whether you label it community service or volunteer experience, both can play a significant role in your job search success.